Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your phone number on Amazon. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then hit that subscribe button to our channel with notification on. Let's move on now, shall we? First step, go to amazon.com and log in into your account. Once you do that, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see where it says accounts and list. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Now once you're over here, you want to click on where it says login and security. So click on it. Now once you click on login and security, where it says mobile number, right beside your mobile number, you can see the little edit button. You want to click on where it says edit. Now once you click on edit, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here, you can enter your new mobile number and click on continue. After you enter your new mobile number and click on continue, it's going to send a verification code on the SMS of the number you typed. So click on OK. Once you do that, it's going to take you over here. And over here, you need to enter the OTP pin, which is going to be sent to your mobile number via SMS. So wait for the SMS to be sent by Amazon. And once you receive the code, enter it and click on it. And once you click on verify, basically it's going to ask for the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, Amazon is going to know, okay, you are the owner of the account, and you confirm the mobile number changed. Once you do that, your mobile number will be changed on Amazon. So yeah, that's how simple it is to change your mobile number on Amazon. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you in the future video. Bye bye.